What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the Lian Li Galahad 360 AIO. Now I got mine in white because I'm trying to commit to this full white build on my current PC. The previous AIO that I had was the NZXT Kraken X53. Now they only make it in black, they don't make it in white, so I had to swap it out for a white one. If you saw my latest post on Instagram, I had the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro in white, so you can see I'm really trying to go full committed with this white build. Now, I'm not going to go through any thermals or any performance numbers for you guys. A lot of YouTube channels do that already. So I'm just doing the video because it looks really good and I want you guys to enjoy what I do. Now, if you want to get more regular updates from me, be sure to follow my Instagram at instagram.com/jojomymojo or come and hang out with me live on Twitch. And as always, I really hope you guys like the video. If you do, leave a like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.